Hello, my friends. It's your buddy Phil here. I just wanted to let you know that I have a brand new course available on Udemy for the PMP exam for people who are close to acing it. Now, the ridiculous thing is this course is only 50 bucks. In fact, it's less than that. It's $49.99. But this course has so much value. And I'm going to show you some of the course outline just so that you are aware of what is out here. So this course is broken down into the people domain, the process domain, and the business domain. It was recorded in front of a live audience. We've had hundreds of students come through this live course and have gotten certified. If you take a look, we have a very transparent outline. We have introductions, and then we get into the meat of each domain for almost a solid 3 hours. We also have a few quizzes to take. And my buddy Roy and I make this extremely engaging. As you can see here, I'll just make it bigger. We get you immersed into the content. And you can see my buddy Roy and I, we're trading ideas and information about this exam. And as you listen into the dialogue, you find it to be engaging and pragmatic. It's real world. So let's listen to just a little bit of the dialogue for you to get a feel of how this course will flow. The teachings that Roy and I deliver, you'll find that there's a confluence, there's a point, there's a meeting point. And what I've done is shown you the meeting point. So when it comes to a vision, it exists in the world of Agile. It also exists in the world of predictive, like your business case. When we talk about a charter, it exists in the world of predictive, exists in the world of Agile. When you talk about planning, same thing. Talk about executing, same thing. Inspect and check is really like monitoring and controlling. Replan, refine is like what we do in the world of predictive as well. We just have specific terms for it in Agile, such as sprint review, backlog refinement, things like that. And then retrospective, we call it a lessons learned. So this is just trying to put a path, through all the things we do, so that as you're looking through all the processes and you're looking through all the tasks, you have a line of sight as far as where it's going. The vision, the charter, the planning, the executing, the inspect, adapt, replan, refine, delivery, and you keep on going over and over.
Essentially, what we're saying here is that the things that you do in traditional approaches, the steps that you take in traditional that comes from the PMBOK, you're doing them in Agile as well. You're doing them a slightly different way, maybe slightly different times, but they still exist. You still have all the same constraints and restrictions and all that kind of good stuff as you would have in Waterfall, but you still got to do all this stuff.
So if you really want to be in the hybrid mindset, which is I can use anything to do what I need to do, at a high level, this is what you need to do on any project: vision, charter, plan, execute, inspect, adapt, replan, refine, demo, deliver, and retrospect. On any project, this is what you have to do. And you can do that across any project. All right, welcome back. Now we're going proper into